Let me ask you something. Have you ever had a moment where you knew exactly what you wanted to say, but the words just wouldn't come out in English? You freeze, your mind goes blank, and that one moment of silence makes you feel embarrassed. Trust me, that's not your fault. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why that happens and how to fix it forever. Stay till the end, because the most powerful technique is saved for last. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Joni D, and this is the place where we break down English speaking into simple, practical steps that actually work in real life. In today's video, I'm giving you 5 proven techniques that will help you speak English more fluently, more confidently, and more naturally, starting today. No boring grammar rules, no textbooks, just real, practical methods. So, let's get straight into it. Here's the number one mistake almost every English learner makes, and I made it too. We think in our native language first, then we try to translate it into English. And that translation process, that's exactly what slows you down. So here's what I want you to do starting tomorrow morning. The moment you wake up, say these 3 lines out loud. I woke up, I'm feeling good, today is going to be a great day. That's it. 3 simple sentences. It sounds too easy, right? But what you're actually doing is training your brain to switch into English mode first thing in the morning. Do this every single day, and within 2 weeks, you'll notice a huge difference. Technique number 2 is the mirror method, and this one is a game changer. Every day, stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself in English for just 2 minutes. Introduce yourself. Talk about your day. Describe what you see around you. For example, hi, my name is your name. I live in your city. Today was a busy day. I had a lot of things to do, but I managed to get through all of them. Now, why does this work? Because when you look at yourself in the mirror, you're not just practicing your words. You're practicing your expressions, your eye contact, your body language, all the things that make someone a confident speaker. This is one of the most powerful techniques used by language experts around the world, and it's called shadowing. Here's how it works. Pick any English video, a YouTube video, a Netflix show, a podcast, anything you enjoy. Play it, and then repeat exactly what the speaker says, in the same tone, the same speed, the same emotion. You're not just repeating words, you're copying the rhythm of the language. The way sentences flow, the way pauses work, the way stress is placed on certain words. Do this for just 10 minutes a day, and within a month, your spoken English will sound dramatically more natural. Most people try to improve their English by memorizing individual words. And while vocabulary is important, it's not enough. In real life, we don't speak in single words. We speak in sentences. So start learning 5 new sentences every single day. Let me give you 5 powerful ones right now that you can use in everyday conversation. Pause and speak clearly. Number 1. Could you please say that again? Number 2. I completely understand what you mean. Number 3. That's actually a really interesting point. Number 4. I'm not entirely sure, but I think. Number 5. Can we come back to this a little later? Write these down. Practice them out loud. Use them today, because knowing useful sentences gives you confidence in real conversations. And now, the most powerful technique of all, the one I promised you at the beginning. Record yourself speaking English every single day. Pick up your phone right now. Open the camera or voice recorder. Set a timer for 1 minute and just talk. Talk about anything. Your morning, your plans, what you ate, what you're thinking about. Then, play it back and listen. I know, the first time you hear your own voice, it feels weird, maybe even a little painful. But that's exactly the point. Because when you listen back, you'll hear exactly where you're struggling, where you're hesitating, where your pronunciation needs work. No teacher in the world can give you that kind of personalized feedback. Only you can do this for yourself. Do this every day for 30 days, and you will be shocked at how much you've improved. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with one bonus tip that changed everything for me. Stop waiting until you're perfect before you start speaking. There is no perfect. Even native English speakers make mistakes every single day. The only difference between someone who speaks confidently and someone who doesn't is this. The confident speaker keeps going even when they make a mistake. They don't stop. They don't apologize. They just keep talking. Fluency doesn't come from perfection. It comes from consistency. So, to recap, today we covered 5 techniques that will transform your English speaking. Number 1, think in English. Stop translating. Number 2, practice with the mirror method. Number 3, use the shadowing technique. Number 4, learn sentences, not just words. Number 5, record yourself and track your progress. Now here's your challenge for today. Go to the comments right now and write one sentence in English. Just one. Any sentence. Tell me how your day was, tell me what you're working on, tell me anything. I read every single comment and I will reply to yours. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow and reach more people who are trying to improve their English just like you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe right now and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to improve your English accent in just 15 days with a simple daily routine. You don't want to miss that one. Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.